EAP Week is an opportunity for our customers to come in and get early access to the upcoming release of Design Center.
They can evaluate the software and look at some of the new capabilities 3 months before the product is released.
This is probably my 6th time coming to early access programs. We always come out to try to see what's new in the upcoming releases of Design Center.
It allows us to plan ahead with learning all the new functionalities, be able to test them and let the design engineers know some feedback.
We can understand the changes that are coming, see the new features, but equally it's a very good opportunity for us to bring up things that we would like to see changed, bring up things that we are liking the development of.
The stability of the product has been amazing. Since we've gone to the more continuous and the faster cycle, it's actually improved a lot because we get the stuff to development quickly, they get it fixed quickly, we get it back in the hands of the customers even faster.
There's hundreds of enhancements that are coming out in each of our 6-month major releases these days.
Being a pipe designer, some of the new functionality like the pipe support is going to be a benefit that you can go in and automatically create these hanger assemblies on the pipe, so it should speed up a design of a piping system.
NX Inspector is filling one of the gaps with model-based definition, being able to inspect, validate, and verify all the various product definition requirements that are captured in the model-based definition, and allows each one of those different characteristics to be accounted for and nothing's missed.
I really like some of the enhancements in the basic feature modeling. One which strikes out would be the mechanism mode in Sketch.
The change with the mechanism mode gives a lot of flexibility now to work with the found relations from the new Sketch solver or switch to the more sort of traditional persistent relations so that we can pin stuff down a little bit more.
I would say Live Share is my favorite functionality from this release just because I've never been able to work on a design project with someone else at the same time.
One engineer could look at one area of design, the other engineer could look at the other part of design. They can work on it simultaneously. And then anything that is design update, the other users will get to see it instantaneously.
AI Copilot is another big feature. If you're having an issue where you can't find a button in the software or you don't know how to use a certain application, you can just go ahead and ask, how do I do this? And it's going to give you a list of feedback and you can use that feedback to kind of tailor your workflows.
I'm really excited about this Sony headset and the 3D tools that they provide with them as well. The headset really gives you a better scale of where things will be in space, and especially for things that are hidden behind panels, you can visualize all of the assembly points a lot easier.
There's a lot of new features in this release. Across the board, there's stuff that helps everybody no matter what area of the product they're working in. We're constantly taking the feedback we get during EAP and applying it to the process. We can sit in a room and plan all we want, but if it's not something that the real world can use and the real world wants, then we're just wasting our time.
What stood out to me most is how much knowledge is in the room at any given time. You'll have experts on every Design Center tool who are here and ready to help you.
It's really the only avenue that I have to where we can find out and get interaction with the product managers, get feedback on exactly what they think the tool can do for us so that we can evaluate it properly and understand what are these new capabilities that are being introduced every single continuous release.
As an industrial designer, I highly recommend EAP to my colleagues because as a designer, understanding how that function or that feature works is very helpful to improve my process to design and using Design Center.
It's a fantastic opportunity to get involved, see the changes that are coming to the software, understand where the change is coming from, and steer changes in the future based on how individuals and individual companies are using the software and the ways that they want to see it improved. The ability to talk to the people who are responsible for that is very, very valuable.
Our journey to continue to invest, innovate into this product is tremendous. Through all these collaborative opportunities, this is how we become a world-class software. Using this type of direct interactions has benefited us tremendously.